Y'all, I cannot believe this is here. I never even thought this day was going to happen. Like, in all seriousness. So let's take a quick moment to open this up, take a look at it, and just talk about the channel a little bit. Well, we got some paperwork in here. Some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? Look at all that. Wow. Wow. I almost don't want to touch it. Oh, it's like, oh, it's got weight to it. Wow. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's like a mirror. I didn't realize, I never seen one in person. Obviously. There goes J-Biv Photography. That's me. I'm on there. I done did it. Wow, y'all. This is crazy. Like, I can't believe it. So yeah, thank you to everyone who watches the channel. Thank you to everyone who tunes into all the videos and really appreciates all the information that I'm putting out for everybody. I really do appreciate all your support and just you watching. Let's talk a little bit about my YouTube journey in general and just kind of why I'm here and what I'm doing stuff. If you want to just listen, learn a little bit about me. We'll also do some updates as well on my life and just the channel itself. So if you didn't know, I actually had a YouTube channel back in 07, the golden years of YouTube, which I wish I would have kept up. And I never really took YouTube seriously back then, but I loved making videos and also teaching people. If you couldn't tell, teaching people is something I just like to do. So I had a music production channel back in the day that was called B-Boy Spaz. You should definitely check it out. I'll link it up above. But I was teaching on making beats and sampling inside of Ableton Live. I actually do these really cool videos where I break down how a hip hop beat was sampled. So I'll take the original track and show you how they broke it down. So like Kanye West stuff and Lupe Fiasco and just all kinds of other random songs that I find. I kind of want to start doing that again. So if you want to see me jump back on the old channel, hit a like, I guess, and let me know. But so I stopped doing that a long time ago, and then recently, I think it was 2018, 2019, I decided to start doing photography YouTube stuff. And originally my plan was actually to get hired by companies. So I was making videos very company forward to show them that I could do this kind of video work, which never led to anything, but it led to me trying to do more YouTube. I started doing YouTube a little bit with just the plan of making videos just because, and I got YouTube Partner Program, and then I was like, well, I guess I'll keep doing it, and here I am today. The growth was actually super fast, and I didn't realize I could hit 100,000 in only 2 years. I've heard about people taking like multiple years to get to this point, so really, thank you to you all for believing in what I'm doing in general. Now, as far as updates, obviously the growth has been super fast, and honestly, it's been a little stressful to keep up with it, with me still doing weddings as a full-time job and also YouTube as now a more full-time job. It was just a lot to take on, and yeah, it's just a lot. So I'm adjusting right now to doing YouTube and wedding photography at the same time. There's some big changes going on there as well, so yeah, that has been a lot. On top of these updates, let's talk about sponsored videos for a moment, because I'm sure you've noticed a lot of my videos are sponsored. So one big thing about my channel and what I'm doing here is with these long behind the scenes wedding day videos that are literally hours long that I'm providing for you all for free, I have to have a way to kind of make up for that. And also I have a family of 5, almost 6. We have our new little one coming at the end of November. So I have to provide for them. My wife stays at home. I am the only source of income. So I hope you don't mind the sponsored videos, but I can promise you that I'm only sponsoring with people that I believe in and or use. For example, Squarespace, I was an employee there for 5 years. I was a team lead in customer service. Like, I use Squarespace, I use it on my site, and I worked there for 5 years. So like, I'm not just gonna be throwing out sponsors because I wanna get paid. They're gonna be things I really believe in. The products I look at are things that I actually use. So I know I get a lot of slack and there's people, oh, he's making this video just to get paid. It's just a big ad. First off, this is my job. I have to feed my family. Second off, all these products are things that I use. And again, when it comes to wedding photography, you can't do it without products. So it's actually, I could rant forever. I hate how people like are so jaded with YouTubers that they just think that we get all this stuff for free and that we don't use it and all this stuff. Like, I buy most of my stuff still. I do, you know, and I'm just telling you what I like using rather than sitting here trying to sell you something. But I digress. I could go on forever. Also, on top of that, another update I'm sure you all want to hear about, but I'm almost done with the Natural Fills preset for Capture One. Basically, how that's going to work out is I think I'm going to release it per camera body first so that I can get some of them out sooner. So right now, I'm pretty sure I have Fujifilm done, and I'm pretty sure I have Nikon and Canon done as well. So I hope to be releasing those sometime in November. And if you're excited for that, let me know in the comments below, which will make me work on it even harder. But yeah, expect that soon. And if you don't use Capture One now and are thinking about using it, definitely check out the link below in the description. I am affiliated with them now as well, so you could pick that up and support the channel as well. So yeah, that was a quick update on me, everything that's going on with the channel. Very straightforward. I'm gonna keep doing the behind the scenes wedding day videos. Don't forget, I also have my Patreon, which you can go on there and see other videos that I make specifically for Patreon. I have some more in-depth stuff. Recently, I did how I handle my finances. I also have a short little off-camera flash video that I did as well. So if you're looking for more information, check out the Patreon. Also, the full wedding day videos I'll still be doing on YouTube, but I'm probably gonna concentrate on having most of them up on Patreon and or making an actual course for you all. And when it comes to a course, I mean, if you think my full wedding day videos are jam-packed with information, just wait for a course. I'm gonna show my settings, I'm gonna show before and afters on the photos, I'm gonna talk about why I'm taking photos in certain places and what I'm thinking. We're gonna go all the way into it. So that's my plan for 2022. We'll see how it goes. If there's anything else you'd like to see, any videos you'd like me to do, please let me know in the comments below. And thank you again for hanging out on the channel. Seriously, let all your photographer friends know about it. Tell them to subscribe to the channel because you're not gonna get free information like this anywhere else. Again, thank you for the support. Thank you for believing in me and coming on this journey with me. And I will check you all out next time. All right, peace.